This is the historic Clayton Thompson Cemetery in Lincroft. What really stands out as especially sad and sobering are the amount of children buried here. There's about 20 graves or so. We have two children here, one 11 months old, another one 11 months and 28 days. There's a whole row of children here. Eliza, 7 years old. Malvina, almost 2 years old. Sarah Louisa, almost 3. Josephine, almost 4. There's a 17-year-old buried back there. Just one of those stark reminders of how much worse it was in the 1800s, how young people died. And it's something that, it's pretty common knowledge, life expectancy throughout history, but when you're at a small cemetery like this, and there's only 20 graves, and a solid third of them are children, it's just, it's pretty sad.